Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hello. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, very dramatic. Exit the video here, no harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. We have an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I never remember the names of these stupid things. Hi, if you're new here, I do a lot of usually awful unboxings. Yeah, I said it. They usually suck, but what can I say? I love being disappointed, and that's why I continue to do them. So Ipsy is a subscription that I actually purchased with my own coin, and I should stop. It's never good, but sometimes on the off chance they really wow me. So if you've never heard of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, well, let me tell you a little bit about it. Glam Bag Plus retails for $28 a month. All the faves you love, full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized, full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and busiest brands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 of your 5 products each month. December has to be one of the most forgettable months because I remember looking at the options to choose from and it was garbage. So I honestly don't remember what it is. So this is going to be a great surprise to me as well. So this is a little bag that you get. It's cute. It kind of feels very New Year's-y. I don't know. Maybe it's because of like the little stars and kind of it looks like a little champagne-y. It's cute. Not my favorite little laundry bag, but it's still pretty adorable. So, with that said, let's open this bitch up. Okay. Alright, so the theme for this month is time to shine. Ooh. Sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. I think that's a mistake. It should be totally forgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones you love. That just sounds like a recipe for fucking disaster. Ooh, they have horoscopes, bitch. This is probably my favorite thing out of the box right now. Woo. All right, let's see. Where am I? Where am I? I am here. Okay, so this is straight from the stars with Astrology duo at Spell Sisters. Libra. Mindfulness, rest, and treating yourself kindly are also skincare musts. Okay. Paul Giamatti is an Aries. Let your drive and determination guide your color choices. Go bold. You hear that, Alex? Go bold. This is actually pretty cute. All right, so get to know your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, $120, boopity blop blop. You know, I'm not that mad about it. Oh, okay, so apparently there's like a bunch of shit coming up. Looks like December 6th through the 12th, mix and match and be merry shopping event. December 15th, there's a limited edition mystery bag. December 13th to the 17th, there's an Ipsy pop-up. And then December 20th to the 24th, there's an end of the year flash sale. Okay, I mean, I have to say, I usually dog the shit out of these, but not mad about this. This is pretty fucking cute. So, with that said, I don't remember what I picked. So let's just grab the first product, and that is from Perlis. I think I did pick this one. I feel like this is something that I always pick if there is an option because I really do love Perlis. I think they make the best fucking BB cream out there. Well, no, I take that back. One of the best. I have found things in YesStyle that have been more affordable, but their BB cream, oh, fucking amazing. That said, this is the Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. So, okay, that, I'm laughing because apparently, oh, that's fucked up. So I'm supposed to get a pack of 6 of these. It says it on the website and it retails for $36. They only decided to send me one and told me basically to go fuck myself. So that's cool. Wow, okay, so 36 divided by 6 would be $6. So this costs $6. Nice. Love that for me. The sheet masks are infused with seaweed extract. It's like glass of water for your face to help hydrate, plump, and smooth thirsty skin. Even better, anti-inflammatory Blue Lotus minimizes redness and protects against harmful effects of free radical damage. Okay, listen, not mad about this. Love Perlis. I'm just mad that they decided not to give me the 5 other fucking masks. So Ipsy can go fuck themselves. All right, let's go on to the next product. And that is from Elemis. This is a product that I picked out because I honestly don't remember why. Usually Elemis is pretty good. good. This is the Peptide for Eye Recovery Cream. I'm gonna leave this for my best friend Michael because I have a couple of eye creams open and I don't like to open up too much skincare because otherwise it just kind of goes bad. So yeah, I'm gonna give this to my friend Michael. But this is the Peptide for Eye Recovery Cream, retails for $49. The Fake Awake with the Multitasking Eye Cream. It helps revive tired looking eyes with a blend of firming peptides, nourishing coconut oil. Oh, that's even better because I think I'm allergic to coconut oil, and brightening plant extract. So with that said, Michael can have it. Next, we have this product from Verb, and I know I picked this one out because I really love Verb's dry shampoo. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and I'm actually kind of curious to try this. This is a styling cream. This is the Ghost Prep. This retails for $18. This light as air cream helps infuse your hair with moisture, minimize frizz, promote shine, and protect hair from up to 450 degrees with a cocktail of moringa oil and vitamin B5. Not sure if I said that correctly, but I apologize. Like I said, I really do love their dry shampoo, especially for the one for darker hair, so I could fuck with this. I'm excited about it. Oh, by the way, I didn't pick that Elemis product. My bad. I didn't pick it up. I actually picked this one. This is from Complex Culture, and this is a nail polish duo. And this set retails for $24. So let's see what are the colors. I do love me nail polish, so I'm not mad about that. Oh, yes. Oh, these are actually really fucking pretty. I love pale greens like that. I think that's so awesome. And this just looks really fucking sick. Actually, I think what I might do is do my nails and make one of the nails this color. I think that'd be cute. I don't know. I love that trend. I know it's like nobody really does it, but for me, it gives me comfort. In any case, I love these colors, and I really hope that the nail polish is good. Otherwise, it's a fucking travesty. And then last but certainly not least, we have this thing in bubble wrap. Ooh, what the fuck is this? Ugh. Oops. So this is the brand called Clarity RX, and this is the Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. This is $72. Pfft, okay, all right, I'm listening. This moisture binding lightweight serum is exceptional for dehydrated, that's me, dull skin, that's also me. The fast absorbing formula instantly boosts moisture level using hyaluronic acid, which can hold up to many times its weight in water. What the fuck? Leaving your complexion feeling soft, supple, and more radiant. Okay. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. All right. I mean, listen, I love moisture. I love hydration. My skin desperately needs it because basically I am kind of like a chicken on a rotisserie. All right. My juices are, ew. Oh God. God damn it, Theresa. My juices are leaving my body. Okay. I need more juice. Oh. Okay, $72 though. This is kind of interesting. I just want to, okay, has a protected, I'm not even gonna fuck with it. All right, fine. You win this time, Clarity. Curious to try this. I love moisture. Okay, so this was a quick box. Okay, so let's see here. This has coconut in it. I thought I got it. Apparently I was forced to get this, but whatever, I'm gonna gift this to my friend, fine. This, I like the claims of it, so I'm intrigued. And it's $72 apparently, so that's fucking hilarious. I actually am so excited for the nail polish. And I want to say the cost of the nail polish is actually cheaper than the bag. Yeah, it's cheaper than the bag. So the thing that I'm the most excited about is actually less than what I paid for. So that's great. Okay. You know what? I take that back. I'm actually pretty excited about this Ghost Prep. If it's anything like the dry shampoo, I'm going to love it. And if you are interested, I'll let you know how much I like it. But yeah, I'm kind of actually curious about this one. This, I think, is the biggest fuck you of them all. I was supposed to get 6 of them and only 1 arrived. So I don't know who's drinking in the fucking factory, but that's not cool. So I think I'm gonna email them and be like, yo, like really? Are you really gonna do me dirty? Come on, it's the end of the year. It's the holidays. All right, so not super excited about this month, but like I knew that was gonna be the theme because that's always the theme for these boxes. It's always disappointing. I feel like the only things that are kind of worth it are the Glam Bag X's. Although I have heard that the smaller Ipsy bags have been getting better lately. So maybe that's my fuck up and I should have got one of the smaller bags. I don't know. Anyway, let's just say we're all disappointed here. With that said, let me know down below if you do get Ipsy and if this was your bag or if you got something completely different. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And also let me know your outrage down below, especially getting 1 instead of 6 of these little fuckers. With that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, really filthy, really nasty, disgusting, putrid, garbage boat afloat. Couldn't do without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and thank you for just being amazing. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, along with where to get this amazing tablecloth, which look at it, it's pretty adorable. Everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little crab cakes later. Actually tomorrow. I'll see you crab cakes tomorrow. Bye. You like that? I feel like this could be actually pretty fun. Yeah, no, it could be fun for anybody. I'll go now.